In this video, I'm going to show how to make and place decals. So what you're going to start with is by creating an extrusion. But what I would do first is go to a section view. So I already placed a section, and I'm just going to right click and go to view. So right now I can see the wall right here, and I'm going to click architecture, component, the drop down box, model in place. So I'm just going to make a generic model and name that generic model painting, or how about wall painting. So now I'm going to click on extrusion, and it's going to ask me to select my work plane since I'm not at the usual looking at the bottom floor. It doesn't really know quite where I'm looking at. So I'm just going to click a plane, and I'm just going to click on the top of this wall, and it'll select it. So you can see if I hit the set button right here, it shows me where I've clicked it. But the easier way is actually show. Show the plane, and it shows that I'm at the right plane. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use this rectangle box and create a picture frame looking thing. And right now it says that the extrusion is going to be 1 foot long. But if I'm going to have a painting, canvases are really just 1 inch thick max. Probably 2 if it's a really big one. But I'm just going to set it at 1.5, just so that it'll look like a good canvas size. Then I'm going to hit check mark, and now the extrusion is made. So now if I click finish model and even go to the 3D view, you could see that now we have a generic model on the wall. So now what you're going to want to do is go to insert the decal area and drop down box decal types. So, because we need to create a new decal. So this little button right here, click create new decal, click on it, and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it painting. And then you're going to find a source for this painting. So I actually have in my downloads the type of painting I want to put on this wall. So I'm going to real quick go to downloads. And right here I got a wonderful Bob Ross painting. And you can edit however way you want, high gloss, matte. Canvases are kind of matte. And fiddle with the settings however you want. I'm just showing the basics. And just click OK. So now click on the top button, and we're going to be able to place our decal. So right now you can't see what's going on because what you need to do is click on this little box down here and click realistic. See, right now you can see that we have our decal. So it is on the extrusion that we have. We just need to expand it by just clicking and dragging. And now, as you can see, we have a painting on the wall. And that's how you make a decal.